everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica and today I have my first update for Project Polish for the year. I am so happy to be doing this project again this year after taking a year off, and I'm knocking polishes over while I'm talking to you. I still have a few polishes that were in rollover projects from last year that I am working on, so progress is not quite as good as I would like it to be, obviously for just a 1 month. But I feel like I am making some progress, which of course makes me happy. My goal is to finish anywhere from 12 to 15, if I can 15, polishes on the year. Crossing my fingers, hopefully I can make that happen, but we shall see. I think I put in 15 polishes for this year, and none of them were, well, actually one of them was brand new. Some of them were close to. This dark one was brand new. No, it is not. But I'm going to show you only the polishes that I have progress on. Some of them I didn't use at all, which I left over there on my little spinner. And yeah, I'm just going to show you what I have progress on. Let's start with what I have on my nails right now. This is the Kiss Gel Strong Polish, and the color is Pistachio. And you can see my lines right here. This big green line is where I started, and I'm at the red line now. Obviously, I have it on my nails now, but this is, I think, the second time I have used it. Second or third, I can't remember. But yeah, I really like this one. Not in love with the brush. It is kind of like an oval brush. It's more like flat, which I do like, but it's really, really wide. And even though I have pretty large hands, my nail beds aren't that wide. So it is a little awkward on my pinky nails especially, but you know, it is what it is. I do really like the polish a whole lot though. I have this base coat. It's the Sally Hansen Be Long. I have used a little bit, lost my words there for a second. I started this red line, I use it down here. I don't always use a base coat, depends on how big of a hurry I'm in, and just if I feel like my nails kind of need that. Sometimes I just go with it. I know it's horrible. Given my former profession, I shouldn't go without a base coat, but you know, sometimes time is of the essence and it just is what it is. All right, the next one. I'm going to get these little guys out of the way. This is a little Sinful polish in the color Thimbleberry. I've used this one quite a bit. My toes like it a whole lot, but it is tiny. So yeah, it was pretty brand new. I want to say it was like up in here, and now I'm down here. I really like this. I don't know if I will have it done by the next update, but it will probably have good usage on it because this is the time of year where I like to use the darker polishes. When it starts to warm up, I am a little less into them. Its little counterpart here, I didn't use very much, only once. This is Muddy Potion, and you can see my progress lines. Hopefully you can. The red, and then the red down here. Just a little bit of usage. I think I only used that one once, and yeah, I don't know, I've been doing a lot more color lately. I don't know why. Let's see. This one I only used once, which is funny because I got so many compliments on my nails when I did this polish, Revlon Sunflash, over top of Sinful Colors Taupe Chic, which is not in this project. That was in a usage project. That is since done. But I had Taupe Chic, and then I put this over top of it, and I got so many compliments on my nails. I kind of want to work on that polish now with this one because, you know, it apparently looked good. I am just below this line. I didn't feel like it was enough to actually create a new line, but I did use it a little bit. This one from Revlon, it's the Streetwear. Again, I can't really make a new line, and this is the color Chilling. It is just below this red line and not enough to do a whole nother thing. I used that one once, and it is a opaque enough polish that it's really just a one coat, so I just, you know, didn't use a whole lot. All right, for the Nina Nail Enamel in Canary, got a little bit of usage here. My lines started to smush together. I probably should not have done a new line on that, which is why I didn't really do them on some of them, because it would just look like one continuous smear all the way down the bottle. All right, for this gold striping polish from Avon, you can see I was at the purple, now I'm at the red. Just a little bit of usage. This next one, I actually gained product because I added a little bit of glitter into it that is in my 50 Shades of Pink, and a little bit of red nail polish. So yeah, this is a base top coat. It's the Revlon Double Twist. It is no longer. I was at this line here, now I'm up to about here, but it is such a fun color. I don't know if you can see that. It's like almost like a jelly with the pink glitters in it. I did wear this once, and I enjoyed it a whole lot. It's so much more fun than just boring base or top coat. Yeah, I know. I need to stop frankening all my stuff, but I enjoy it so much, and it's such a pretty color now. All right, the next two I have really good progress on. This is the e.l.f. polish in Lilac. I was at the gold line before, now I am at this red line. I don't know, I really don't know what I'm going to gravitate towards for the next month, so we will see how it goes, and you know how that is. And this last one, this is the P2 Volume Gloss in Old Maid. Horrible, horrible name, but such a pretty color. You can see where I was before and where I am now. It looks like I'm just about done, but if you tilt it, it actually slopes down here. So it's going to take, it's going to look like it's done here while I still have a little bit of product over here. So I don't know, again, if I'm going to focus on that. Part of me says I should, but these are good spring, like Easter colors. I don't know if I want to save that for them. I do want to work on Thimbleberry. I don't know if that's going to be a primary. I'm just going to kind of pull them aside and see what I can work on. And I probably will work on this a little bit. This is not going to be primary. I think, you know what, I think I'm going to make Thimbleberry my primary. I think that's the one I'm going to go after for this month. It seems to make the most sense to me. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I think I'm just going to play with everything else, but try to make this one my primary because I would like to actually get a polish done, and I haven't decided if I want to roll something new in. Let me know what you guys think about that. I do have, like I said, 15 polishes in right now. Do you think I should roll another polish in if I'm able to finish Thimbleberry, or do you think I should just wait till I get a few more things done so that I can keep my focus? Because I could go either way. I love nail polish, so, you know, I like to play. Nail polish and eyeshadow, those are my things, so I'm going to show you the colors that I am currently working on right now. Like I did last time, you will see some of them, like this red I didn't show you, the purple I didn't show you, because I don't have the progress on them. So we shall see what the next month holds, and let me know what you think I should work on with Thimbleberry, if you think I should roll something new in next month if that one is done. If it's not done, it's a non-issue, but you know, just let me know down in the comments. All right, if you are doing project polish, let me know. I would love to come check out your progress. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.